What's up guys, it's Happy here. So in this video I will show you guys how you can save tons of money when you are making videos, and if you guys can break some stuff like some camera equipments, like your mic holder like this one. It's very common, they can be break down because I'm using the Rode mic when I'm shooting video, and this mic is really good, and I'm not recording with this mic from couple of weeks, and my voice quality is not really good in the videos. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna fix this mic holder and I'll use this mic again, and I'm also going to repair my gimbal because it's got the crack over here, and this is my GoPro gimbal, and it worked perfect, but when we make the videos it's not really perfect because when the motor is spinning from inside it's shaking like this. So I'm gonna fix that. I also gonna fix this, and I also want to show you my GoPro camera. It's got a crack on the back on the screen. How it's happened, just fell from the bike while I was riding. It just happened. Sometimes it's working, sometimes not. So let's start. What we need to fix that, I'm going to use this quick fix. I purchased this one from Bunnings store, from hardware store. It's very easy to find, and it can be dry in 4 and 5 seconds, probably 10 seconds, but I will give him probably 10 seconds to dry perfectly. But make sure when you're gonna pour this quick fix into the joint, what you're gonna glue on it, make sure do not put so much over it because it will go inside the motor. So this is the crack. I'm gonna make it like this, and I will put small drops over here, and then I will keep it like this, so the liquid will not go inside, so liquid go outside, so it will dry and it will hold for forever. You know what I mean? So let's start it. Like small things you can fix with the $2 or $3, you know, you don't have to buy a new one. So this is the really quick idea to fix it. There you go. I have poured the glue in it already, you can see, and now I'm gonna hold this one like this so the glue will dry. Be careful from the glue, because if the glue goes inside it will freeze the motor, which is not really good. Let's see now it's dry or not. If you're gonna send this product for the repair, that's the same thing what they're gonna do, because they always saying we can't afford the spare parts, because the spare parts are same cost as the new stuff, you know, new parts. So there is no chance you're gonna spend $50 or $100 just to fix these cracks on the gimbals, because they cost probably under $50 or $200. And yeah, so I will leave this one here until that will dry. I will fix this mic holder. just a small amount of glue on the holder. Just hold nicely for 10 seconds or 5 seconds. I'm not using my mic. Maybe my voice a little bit funny. It's always funny, yeah. But it's good fun, eh? Okay, looks nice. Woohoo! You can see. And now I also gonna put a little bit more extra glue on it, so it will hold very nicely from the outside. Just give a little bit extra glue around the edges around here, so it will hold very strongly. You know what I mean? There you go. Boom. So I will leave this one over here for a second, and I will close this glue cap so it will not dry now. So this is the package, guys, I purchased from the Bunnings store for probably $3 and $4, and now I fix these two things, which is not easy to buy. You know, this is my my drone gimbal actually, and I placed this camera with the GoPro 5 camera into my gimbal, and then I make nice videos with that. There you go. So right now it looks nice. Now I will test this gimbal with the gimbal holder, right? Let's do it, eh? There you go, the camera in place. It's locked now. Let's match the connector, place the gimbal inside nicely. There you go. And now I'm going to start the gimbal. Beauty. You can see it's working now. Perfect. Beauty. So there you go, guys. That's how you can save your $50, $60 or $100 or $200 just fixing your camera stuff with the $2 stuff. Easy peasy, eh? Okay. Perfect. Yee-hee. Perfect. Beautiful. You can see? Beautiful. Okay, if you like this video, you learned something, give a like, press the subscribe button. So anyway, I'm shooting with the D50-600 Nikon with the kit lens and with the camera mics, and this is the mic what I'm using. Mostly people comment me, use the extra mic, external mic. Okay, Now I will use this one again, so you will get the beautiful voice from my beautiful mouth for your beautiful ear. Okay guys, give a like, enjoy, have fun.